In this video you learn all about financial security and how to achieve it. Therefore I give you 10 tips so that you can start out right now. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. Are you financially secure? Almost all surveys conducted on this topic over the past few years have shown that most people are unable to demonstrate financial security, especially with regard to retirement. This underscores that achieving financial security is a complex process that requires careful planning and implementation. Indeed, economic security means different things to different people. But the simple definition here is this: having enough financial assets to cover expenses, emergencies, and retirement, without fear of running out of money. Here are a few tips to help you achieve financial security. 1. Start as early as possible. It's always best to start saving when you're young, but even if you're close to retirement, it's never too late. If you save $200 a month for 40 years at 5% interest, you'll save a lot more than someone who saves for 10 years at the same interest rate. However, the amount saved over a shorter period of time can go a long way toward covering your retirement expenses. It's also important to remember that other aspects of financial planning, such as asset allocation, become increasingly important as retirement approaches. This is because risk tolerance typically decreases as the number of years in which to recover losses decreases. 2. View savings deposits as a bill. Putting money away regularly can be difficult, especially when you consider the many regular expenses we face and the consumer goods that tempt us to spend our disposable income. You can resist this temptation by treating your retirement savings as a regular expense, just as you pay your rent, mortgage or car loan. It's even easier if the money is automatically deducted from your employer's paycheck. Alternatively, you can automatically deduct a certain amount of your savings and schedule it to be deposited into a retirement savings account on the same day your salary is earned. 3. Save in a tax-deferred account. Putting your retirement savings into a tax-advantaged retirement account can save you from spending unwisely because of taxes and penalties. For example, amounts distributed from a traditional retirement account may be subject to income tax in the year of distribution and may be subject to a 10% early distribution penalty, excise tax, if you are under age 59 and a half at the time of distribution. If you have sufficient income, consider whether you can increase the amount you set aside in a tax-advantaged account. For example, consider whether you can afford to contribute to an individual retirement account, IRA, in addition to your employer's retirement plan, and whether that account is a Roth or traditional IRA. 4. Portfolio diversification. The old adage about not putting your eggs in one basket also applies to retirement assets. By putting all of your savings into one form of investment, you increase the risk of losing all of your investments and may limit your return on investment, ROI. Therefore, asset allocation plays an important role in retirement asset management. The right asset allocation takes into account factors such as your age. This is usually reflected in the aggressiveness of your portfolio. You take on more risk when you are younger and less as you approach retirement age. Your risk tolerance. This will help you make sure you can recoup your losses if you do. Do you need to increase your assets or generate income? 5. Consider all possible expenses. When planning for retirement, some people don't consider medical, dental, long-term care and income tax expenses. When determining how much you need to save for retirement, make a list of all the expenses you might incur in retirement. This will allow you to make realistic projections and plan accordingly. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 6. Saving for retirement is essential. Saving a lot of money is great, of course, but all the benefits come to naught if you end up paying for your living expenses with a high-interest loan. That's why it's important to make a budget and work within it. In order to accurately calculate your disposable income, you need to include retirement savings as well as current expenses. 7. Periodic portfolio reviews. As retirement approaches and your financial needs, expenses, and risk tolerance change, you should conduct a strategic asset allocation in your portfolio to make necessary adjustments. This will help ensure proper retirement planning. 8. Optimize expenses. If your lifestyle, income or financial responsibilities change, it's wise to review your financial situation and make adjustments, if possible, and change the amount you add to your retirement fund. For example, if you have paid off a mortgage or car loan, or if the number of people with financial responsibilities has changed. Analyzing your income, expenses, and financial responsibilities can help you decide whether you should increase or decrease the amount you set aside on a regular basis. 9. Think about your spouse. If you are married, think about whether your spouse is saving and whether you can share the cost of your retirement. If your spouse is not saving, you need to determine if your retirement savings can cover your spouse's expenses as well as your own. 10. Working with a financial planner. If you don't have experience with financial planning and portfolio management, you may need to enlist the services of an experienced and qualified financial planner. Choosing the right professional is one of the most important decisions you can make. Frequently asked questions about financial security. How much money do I need to be financially secure? It depends on your age, income needs, and financial goals. However, as a general rule of thumb, a good indicator of financial security is the 4% rule. In other words, if you can safely withdraw 4% each year from your investment account and still have no money left over, you can say you are financially secure. What is the difference between financial stability and financial security? Broadly speaking, financial stability means that you have no debt and can easily pay your monthly expenses, and can afford to set aside a certain amount in savings. On the other hand, financial security means that you have enough money to cover expenses, emergencies, and retirement, and you don't have to worry about running out of money. How can you protect your financial security? There are several ways to ensure financial security, including: continue to live within your means. Be prudent when investing. Provide a variety of sources of income. Take advantage of opportunities when they arise. How do I become financially free in 5 years? To become financially free in 5 years, follow these steps. Determine your baseline level of income and expenses. Reduce your spending as much as possible. Pay off as much debt as possible. Increase your income through a second job or side business. Achieve a monthly savings rate of at least 75%. Prioritize investments in growing assets. Conclusion. The factors discussed here are just some of those that can affect the success of your retirement plan and determine your ability to live financially secure in retirement. Your financial planner will be able to determine if other factors should be considered. As mentioned earlier, starting early will certainly make your future job easier, but even if you're already retired, it's not too late to adopt some of these techniques. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.